In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to go about the cutting of this beautiful blouse. This is a high-low circle flare blouse. If this is something you're interested to learn, you want to keep on watching and let's get started. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so you always be notified anytime I upload new video. To make this blouse, you will need 2.5 yard of crepe fabric or any fabric of your choice. Divide the 2.5 yard of fabric into two, one for the front and the other one for the back. Alright, so you place one of it like so. Go ahead and fold, okay? You start folding from the edge of your fabric. You fold in a triangular form like so. Now determine your shoulder line, alright? So I'll just take, for instance, this is shoulder line and I marked half of the shoulder measurement. Then I also came down by the armhole depth. Okay, I'm just drafting this for tutorial's sake. Let me just show you guys on how you can actually achieve the cutting of the flayed you get. So come down by your shoulder slope of 1 inch and also mark 3 inch for your neck width or 3.5. Come down by 4 to 3.5 inch for your neck depth. Connect your shoulder slope like so. After that, you place your tape at the shoulder line, then determine the length you want for your blouse. I marked 11.5 inch for the length of the blouse. Remember, it's an illustration. It's an illustration, okay? So you place your tape at the tip to the point you marked your blouse length. Measure what you had in total. Use it to make a circle shape, just like you see me doing here. So when taking your blouse length, ensure the tape is at the tip. Make sure you place your tape at the tip like so. Then after marking, you go ahead and connect. Okay, connect a round shape like so. Can you see, using the point you already marked? So go ahead and cut it out. Trust me, this blouse is very simple to make. You can just use your measurement, and if you want it a little bit hug on the bust area, you can take your bust measurement plus 2 to 3 inch of allowance. Okay, so I'll just label this as front. Do you get? Now I will fold another pattern. I just fold like so in a triangular shape. Then I'll place the one I already cut because I want to cut the back. All right. So for the back, you can actually decide to give slit at the back so that when wearing it will be easier for you, and you just add button. You know those dress that has slit at the back. So you can actually add your own slit, then you attach with button so that if you want to wear it will be easier for you to wear. Your head can actually pass through from the slit you get. So this high neckline I marked here, I don't think it's necessary, okay, because the front is already high, it's not too deep. So you should add slits, then you attach button to it. Okay, so I've gone ahead to cut the back. As you can see, this is front and the other one is back. So for the front, you should go up by how low you want the front to be. So because this is just a pattern, I'm going up by 3.5 inch. Okay, so I'm going to connect from there to that edge, make a curve that looks like this. Just make your curve, then you connect it to the other side. After connecting this way, you will cut it out just like this, and this is very simple. Okay, after cutting, this was what I had. Can you see? Now I'm going to place the back and I will place the front on top of it like so. So after placing, you can see what we have here. This is what you will have after cutting yours, and because this is pattern, it won't flow just as the fabric. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to make this dress and tag me. Hey guys, a little advert please. This is to remind you that our Ankara baggy pint is ongoing for immediate delivery and weight bill to every state. If you're in Enugu, we are available for pickup, or we can send our rider to come deliver to your destination or wherever you are. Okay, it's very affordable and this is available for wholesale and retail. It is very affordable. Just with 5,000 naira, you can pack all this. We sell from 10 pieces up. Thank you. And we also look forward to your patronage. Kindly send us a direct message on WhatsApp with the number showing on the screen, or you can contact us on Instagram at Style by Kosi. We're also on Facebook at Style by Kosi, Kosybrand, and also Kosybrand Collection on TikTok. Thank you so much. God bless you.